Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Vanguard rollovers for former employer plans, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Vanguard rollovers for former employer plans, start by gathering necessary information. Locate your former employer's retirement plan details, including account numbers and contact information. Visit the Vanguard website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Rollovers section on the homepage. Select the option for rolling over a former employer's plan. You will be prompted to provide information about the plan you wish to roll over. Enter the name of your former employer and your account details accurately. Choose the type of account you wish to roll your funds into, such as an IRA or a new employer plan. Review the eligibility requirements for your chosen account type. After confirming eligibility, follow the instructions to initiate the rollover process. Download and complete any required forms, which may vary by plan. Contact your former employer's plan administrator to request a rollover. Ask if there are any specific forms or procedures you need to complete on their end. Submit your completed forms as directed, ensuring all required fields are filled out accurately. Keep a copy of all documents for your records. Monitor the progress of your rollover through your Vanguard account. Check back regularly to ensure that funds are transferred and processes are completed. Once the rollover is finalized, review your new account settings and investment options. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to optimize your portfolio post-rollover. Finally, keep records of your account performance and make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.